Welcome to my review of Turkish Airlines Business Class on their Boeing 777 from Istanbul, Turkey to Montreal, Canada. Seat layouts are 2-3-2. Lots of legroom. The seats are wide. You get a pillow as well with the seat. You share the center table with your neighbor, and there are cup holders as well. You have the hand console on the left side or the right side depending, and you also have the main console. The screen is wide enough. You also get slippers and a blanket. There is a lot of storage on the leg rest if you open it up. Your document storage is by the leg rest. The power unit is in this inconvenient space. Now let's take a look at the menu. The menu is in both English and Turkish. You get 2 sets of meals on the flight. They are divided into starters/appetizers, main course, and then dessert. And of course you have beverages as well. They also have a large selection of alcohol. Something to note, my camera battery had died during the beginning of this, and so I wasn't able to film the fresh juice and the hot towel that was given. Also, the service from the cabin crew member at that time was a little bit of a problem. Service during that time was debatable because the power unit was not working on my seat, and the cabin crew member came and said it was because it was a North American plug, and then luckily my neighbor had a different type of plug, but it didn't work. But after telling them, they reset it and it worked. After the flight took off, they provided some nuts and apple juice. We have our appetizer served. Apple juice and water is provided. We have cutleries and olive oil, butter, salt and pepper, and some other spices. This is for the bread that they will serve, and also the candlelight for their candlelight in the sky. It's an electric candle. We received our bread. It was quite nice. A nice view of the outside. We have more appetizers. These appetizers were really good as well. Absolutely delicious. Now we have the main course, the braised lamb shank. This has to be the best lamb shank I've ever had. Absolutely delicious. To end the first meal service, have some dessert and some Turkish tea. Let's take a look at the amenity kit. It comes in this beautiful blue bag. We received some socks, an eye mask, a toothbrush, facial mist, lip balm, earplugs. body lotion, toothpaste, and a band. Some information. This is their noise-canceling headphones. They also provide a mattress on top of the seat for the bed, and it is quite comfortable, and it does lie flat, and there is of course space, open space for your legs, and it doesn't get constricted by anything, so that is really nice. The bathroom is nice. It has a lot of amenities like the lotions, the perfumes, and it is spacious as well. Has a nice big mirror on both sides. This is the control unit to adjust your seat and to make it a bed as well. This is the divider between you and your neighbor if you'd like some privacy, and this is the hand console. This also has on the side additional controls for your seat if you're lying down, and that is the light for your seat. This seat also has the overhead lights as well if you need extra light. They also provided a chocolate to have at the end. I was not able to try the before landing food because I was in bed, but now we're here and landing in Montreal. Now for some final thoughts. The cabin crew for the most part were friendly, food was delicious, the seat was comfortable. It lacks a little bit of privacy because of the 232 layout, but other than that, everything else was fine. One thing that wasn't shown in the video, or two things: the selection of movies, they were fine, and the food, again, that before landing I couldn't have because I was sleeping. The only complaint is at the beginning where the cabin crew member didn't know about the plug point because he believed that it was because I was using a North American plug that the plug point wasn't working. But luckily, the other passengers were friendly. They offered me their plug, and I tried it, didn't work either, and so they had to reset it. It worked after